All right, for next question, we have structure R and structure, sorry for the echo. Uh, okay, cool. Okay, so for the next question, we have structure R and structure S. And what happened here? Structure R, as you can see again, this is okay, you see, this one is actually quite smooth. I know you might argue with me, this is not straight, this is not fully straight. No, actually it's quite straight already, lah, right? If you compare to a carrier protein, which look like this is already quite straight. If you can go through it in one shot, that is usually a channel protein. So indeed, R is still a channel protein. R is still a channel protein. And please, S, do not tell me this is phospholipid bilayer. Do not tell me this is phospholipid bilayer because it's not. This is just a single molecule. That should be phospholipid. Okay, good. Next one, cholesterol role. I mean, this one is quite general, I would say. Like, you should have already memorized that. I did mention in class also, this is quite an important question that will usually ask about cholesterol. So yeah, remember, make your phospholipid bilayer 3 points. 3 points, yeah. Either you tell me it is stronger or flexible. Or last one, the longest one, okay. Less permeable to water soluble substance. Less permeable to water soluble substance. Okay. Okay, next question, they talk about drawing an arrow to show the oxygen diffusion pathway. So how would the oxygen move? So you see, oxygen should be moving from the outside of a red blood cell to the inside of a red blood cell, right? Think about it, you should be moving outside to inside because the oxygen will diffuse into red blood cell. Again, I mean, of course it can come out, okay? I'm just talking about a very general pathway should be diffusing into the red blood cell because we all know that red blood cell transport oxygen. This is chapter 2. So yeah, that means we should go inside. So how will that look like? It will then go from here to here. It will pass through the phospholipid bilayer. It will pass through the phospholipid bilayer because oxygen is small, oxygen is also lipid soluble, it will pass through the phospholipid bilayer. That's how it enters. Okay, yeah. And maybe you ask me, how do you know this is outside, which one is inside? Usually, the one that is sticking out, okay, this is outside lah. The one that has glycogen chain is outside because of this. And the one that is inside would be quite empty. Okay, so that's how you know lah. This is outside, this is inside. Okay, cool. Last question. The red blood cell, please lah. This is a bonus question. This kind of question, if you don't know how to answer, please redo your chapter 3. Relearn the chapter 3. Right, so what is this? This just talk about the water is hypotonic to the red blood cell. The red blood cell. Then water, yeah, same thing now, like the typical answer, water will diffuse out of red blood cell. No, the answer is wrong. Oh my god. Out into red blood cell by osmosis. But yes, I want to mention here, the question asks for effect on red blood cells. So please don't forget, this is a question. So you must make sure you end your answer with the effect of red blood cell, which is hemolyze, or as simple as burst. Okay, burst. Okay, that's it. All right, that's it for questions, right? Thank you very much.